Let us get back to our loops in HTML Canvas, and I'll show you a couple of more things that we could do with it. But I don't want to have rectangles anymore. Let us try using circles. So instead of fill rect, I use arc. I can use X and Y and keep it, at least for now. Then we need a radius, and we make that 20 or 10. And we need 0 to 2 times p to have a fully closed circle. And now we can't see it, we haven't yet drawn it, but it exists now. Instead of giving it a fill, I want to have a stroke, so I call CDX stroke. Then I need to begin the path, CDX begin path. And instead of fill style, I adjust the stroke style above. I can keep the rest for now, and we should already see a circle. And we do. It changes color and position thanks to our inner and outer loop. Let me increase the line width. The default is too small, I'll make it 5. That's better. And now I readjust the position. Rectangles were drawn from the top left, but circles are drawn from center. Therefore, it's a little bit cut off. Let me try 20, but I believe 25 should be exactly in center. I haven't calculated it, but 25 times 8 is 200. Should be fine now. We have the gap. So now we have it all in center. It adjusts color and position as I've said using the loops, but this time it's added to our stroke. And we can use the same principle to even adjust the opacity. With my setup here, we can easily change RGB to RGBA. A is the alpha channel, and that is used to adjust opacity or transparency. That means we need a fourth value right here. Let me make it 1 for now, which makes it fully visible. Alpha goes from 0 to 1. Let me make it 0.5. It works. We want to have it adjusted depending on our variable. It is going to get looped. So use the $, curly brackets, 1 minus, and then we'll have to decide on a value times j. Let me try 0.1, and you can see it works. On the left it's now higher, and on the right it gets more transparent. On the left the value is higher and it gets smaller to the right, therefore the opacity or the transparency rises, the opacity goes down. .15 is already too much, we can't see the last row anymore. If we want to have it diagonally, we have to use both of our variables, j and y, but 0.15 is already too much. Let me use 0.02. Or 0.03, that should be a good value. And now you can see it gets adjusted diagonally because both loops are used. And j is for the inner loop. For 8 iterations, I keeps its value in the outer loop, and then it gets increased, and therefore we have this diagonal effect. And these are just 2 more examples of how to use loops using HTML Canvas. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.